this is big and very heavy, so my little one gonna help me out with this. Hurry, hurry. Pull it from the bottom. This is huge. Okay. Gracias. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Thank you for tuning in, and in here you're gonna find haul, product reviews, unboxing, home decor, and more. In this video today you are gonna see my Jo Malone Luxury and Deluxe candle. Which one I pick as a deluxe and which one I pick as a luxury option. This is probably expecting for a lot of my followers, of a lot of you that have been watching my previous Jo Malone unboxing or Jo Malone haul. I have Jo Malone products, cologne, diffuser, and some candles, but you guys was expecting for me to have one of these deluxe or luxury candle from Jo Malone. So I never thought I will purchase one of these, but during Christmas I did a little bit of damage. They have a great deal on those, plus I was able to get extra little bit deal, and I decided to get one luxury candle and two deluxe. So stay tuned and you will see which one I got. We are gonna start with these bags right here, and I have 3 boxes. One of these is a 10 limited edition and scent in candle for Christmas. We're gonna start with this one here. This one comes just like that. I got it from Macy's, and it didn't have a nice wrap or nothing, so, but it came in a good condition, so that's good. This smells so good. Let's see which one is it. Ooh, it's heavy. So this is the Deluxe candle, and they are 21.1 ounces. It is beautiful. It's a big size. Look at this. This one is the English Pear and Freesia. It smells so good. It had a 3-wick candle, and this is the new edition for Christmas. They come out with it because I don't remember seeing any of these in the last few past months. So they make this one as a hand cream, hand wash, body oil, and candle. So it's very nice. So I hope they keep this line available to purchase it, because this candle smell delicious, divine, luxurious, fresh. I love actually this one more the same as a candle than as a body cream. I had a body cream of this one. I don't have the cologne. I don't think so. But I love the candle. So next one, I have this one here. This one comes wrapped. This one I got it, I think, from Nordstrom. It comes in the light bags. This is a small one. And this is the orange bitter. Right here. I have to say I have one lit up right now. I know I used to say before that I don't like the candles because I feel like it's dangerous for me to keep it out at home, because I had a toddler and he put his hand in everything, and you know, they're very curious and they want to touch everything. But I start liking it, and I really light it up, and when I'm in I put in the kitchen counter or high level areas, and of course I I'm being extra careful, but I had to be around there, so I won't leave those, you know, unattended or walk away. No, I'm in constantly checking, making sure everything is good. So I have one orange beater lighting up right now, and it's like the whole upstairs and the whole area right in the entry door. It smells super, super nice. So I decided to grab another one because I do know that this one, they bring it out only for Christmas. I decided to get this one. I'm really disappointed because they have enough room for a little bit. They have out the Deluxe candle, like the one that I just showed you, like the English Pear, big like that, in orange beater with the gold lid, which it was beautiful, but I just sleep on it for a little bit, a day or so, or few hours, and they was sold out like right away, and they didn't bring it out anymore. So I don't know if I still gonna have a chance, but let's see. Orange beater, beautiful. I love this one, so I decided to get one more of the little one, just to make sure when the other one is out, I keep this one lit. The last Deluxe one is these little bags, and we're gonna see right now. Look like this. It comes very nice pack. Ooh, the smell is so good, but it smells woody, very. This is the Pomegranate Noir. I almost purchased the luxury one, which is the big one in the Pomegranate, but I'm not a fan of this scent, but I really want to love it. I really want to try it because I have some diffuser and it's not that bad, but I feel like you have to keep in a small space so it smells better. I decided to get a candle to see how it is, and I went for this side because it was available at this side, and I'll try. Let's see how it works, but it's more like berries, like earthy, like, I don't know, dirt, I don't know, but it's not that bad. Let's give it a try and see how this works. Okay, the main one that you guys probably waiting for is the Deluxe one. Look at this box. It's so big, so big. So this is the luxury one, the bigger one. So you have the travel one, which is very small. Then you have the regular one, which is this size, right? And that's the... So then you have the Deluxe one, which is this one, a little bit bigger. This is 21.1 ounces. And you have the luxury one, which is the huge one. So I got an amazing deal with this. A lot of people used to tell me in my previous video, which I'm gonna leave you the link down below, and I'm also probably gonna leave you a flag right here so you can watch those unboxings or your Malone haul from before. But they say, wow, you got so many, why you never decide to buy the luxury one or a luxury one? Because they're pretty expensive. At least the luxury one is super expensive. I will never pay that much money or amount of money for this one, but this time I got it for a crazy deal and I couldn't pass on it, and I decided to get one. And let's see this one. This one is like, I'm probably gonna need help. This is how it comes back. Look at this guy. This is pretty cool. I'm very, very excited about this one and how I've been for days thinking how I'm gonna decorate it and all that. Come like this. Come very well packed because it's a heavy one. It's this one. Woo! this is a workout. This is the side of the box. Look at this. Yeah. So let me put it here. We're gonna open it. So this one right here, this is how the box look like. Come nicely packed, just like this, with this like very steady foam. Ooh, they smell good. Ooh, it smells so good. So clean, so fresh. Oh, I love this one. Now I know which one is this one because I literally forgot about it. Okay, I don't know if you guys know, but my home scent from Jo Malone is lime, basil, and mandarin. I love that scent. I got literally everything. I actually got like body wash. I got body oil because it's so good and so fresh. I have a lot of diffuser of them because I don't want to run out of them. I only have one small candle, and I feel like that's my home scent. I love it so much. So I decided to get the big one, the luxury candle in lime and basil. I'm so happy I did it because it smells so good. So good. I had no regret. I love it. I'm so excited. But I'm probably gonna need help with it. Karina?
Yeah?
Come in here very quick, mommy. Help me here. Hurry. This is big and very heavy, so my little one gonna help me out with this. Hurry. Pull it from the bottom. This is huge. Okay. Gracias. So I have a little help, you guys can see. And this is the huge luxury lime, basil, and mandarin candle. This is bigger. By my calculation, if you buy 4 of the Deluxe, you pay like almost double of what you pay for this one if you buy one of these. So you save a lot of money buying this one than those. But if you want to just try different scents and different size, it is good, but this one is worth it. I mean, it's expensive to buy in regular price, or the retail price is expensive, but you could save if you just buy one of these. If you're that person that only like 1 cent and just spending 1 cent, then this size worth it. This is super big. It has 4 wick candles. I can't wait to, display this beauty up there, but it smells so good. Let me know down below, guys, in the comment what you think about this whole unboxing. Which scent is your favorite? Let me know. Do you will try something this big? Let me know. I would love to know what you guys think about it. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you enjoy it. Give a thumbs up. Share this video to anybody that you know love the Jo Malone scent or Jo Malone line. And leave me your comment down below what you think about this. Thank you very much again, and don't forget to smile because you are beautiful. Bye.